Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to try and pressure wash the inside of this cab, the outside of the cab, and the top of the engine, or the whole entire engine, so we can start working on the engine. We'll probably hit the transmission also. It is probably 90 degrees, maybe a little more out today. But we got the pressure washer out here. I borrowed every single hose we have at my work. I think we got probably about 600 feet or more of hose ran from the house on the property to all the way back here. I was gonna try and move the truck, but it is just so hard to move. It's so heavy. The tractor really won't do it. So I don't have anyone else here to steer the truck, and it doesn't steer as good on the dirt as it does on the pavement. So I'm gonna run up to the house and we're gonna turn the water on, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna start pressure washing. I'm probably gonna wet everything down, probably spray everything, and then I got some simple green to throw on it, and then we'll probably pressure wash it again just to try and get everything as good as we can. All right, here we go. We start at the pressure washer. We're gonna walk all the way back to the house. All right, so we got the water on. It might be 500 feet. I don't know, it's pretty long. Long enough where I thought when I got here, I was like, dang, I didn't bring enough hose. All right, guys, so I pressure washed it just halfway. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with simple green inside, and then we're gonna lift the cab up. So we got a simple green down cab. I'm gonna go ahead and take this hitch off because I don't need it anymore. It's gonna stay where it's gonna stay. And then we're gonna lift the cab up and we'll start pressure washing the engine area and all that. And then we'll spray that down with simple green, and then we'll come back and wash this shit off. Yeah, that's the plan. Alright guys, so we pressure washed that. It's still pretty dirty. It's really, oily and greasy in there. I'm gonna go ahead and I gotta try to get it as best that I can. I'm gonna spray down with simple green, let that soak, and then we'll hit the cab inside. I already kind of hit the cab on the outside to wash off the simple green on that, so that's done. But let me go ahead and spray this down, and we'll let it soak. Alright guys, so I had to take a break there for a second. I was getting too hot. It's cooking out here for sure. So we got the inside kind of washed, the roof's kind of washed as best as I could get to it in its orientation right now. We're gonna go back to the engine, try and get that cleaned up a little more. It's still just pretty dirty in there. I mean, it's just caked, you know. It's just years and years of running it. No tag, the tag's missing right there. So I'm pretty sure, you guys, it's a Cummins 335. That's what what I've read is what these trucks came with. Or you could get a 8V71, I believe, a Detroit. But we'll see if we can get this stuff knocked off. Not sure if you guys could tell me what this extra tank is. I don't know what it's for or where it goes. I don't know if it's a reservoir for a certain type of oil or it's an extra air tank. Not 100% sure. I can't get that valve to open. But it goes up into the cab, so I'm thinking it might just be an extra tank they have going on or something. Hell, I don't know really. That's bad. Yeah, it's just covered in oil and stuff, so it's kind of hard to get to, or it's kind of hard to clean up. Let's go around the other side. But the windshield's looking pretty clean in there. It still smells, but I don't know how to what else I could do to fix that. So yeah, it's just oily in here. I'm gonna try and keep on going, see if I could chip away. I wish I took this box off, this air filter box, but I haven't yet, so next time we come out here to work on it, it's getting out of the way, it's getting rid of, so I can get in there and start working. We need to take some stuff off so I can get in there a little better, but like the exhaust, try and get that off. Yeah, that's just, and then we'll try and pull the transmission also. We'll take the valve covers off, pour some oil down the cylinders. Hopefully they're not too bad. Hopefully it's not rusty. But there is definitely a smell of like simple green and like rat shit. So it's kind of it helped, but it didn't really do too much. It still smells. So anyways, let me go ahead and get you guys set up, and we'll start washing this engine again. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for pressure washing. I'm going to take the hose and just kind of hose everything down after, so you can get all that loose stuff that's still stuck on there off. Letting my pressure washer cool down. What I do is after I turn it off, turn the sprayer on and let it spray out water, and let it cool that pump off. Well, that's gonna be it for today, or for this week. Man, that's kicking my butt. I'm exhausted. It's hot out here. Shit. Anyway, so we got it pretty clean. Clean as you're gonna get. Next step on this is gonna be to pull the valve covers off, pull the injectors, and put some oil down the cylinders, and then probably pull the transmission. The transmission's what I've seen is pretty bad inside. It got some water in it. So when we get ready to pull that transmission, I'll pull the top cover off and show you guys what's inside. We got it pretty clean. The inside still smells a little bit, so I might throw some mothballs or some type of scent thing in there. There's probably still some stuff under the dash that I didn't get that's making it smell. But other than that, we made some progress on the truck, and that's all that matters. But anyways, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please hit the like and subscribe button and comment if you'd like. That's the truck. So the rest of it needs to be pressure washed, but that's later on down the line. I'm gonna go reel up all this 500 foot, 600 foot of hose and probably get out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and take care.